Thank you for downloading a demo of our popular UltimateTax professional tax program. We have recently simplified the process. However, it still takes a few minutes to download depending on your internet speed. First, you'll have to extract the file. Right-click the file and click Extract. Once it's done extracting, you can click the box to show the files, and you'll be able to see that you need to double-click, click to install. Some Windows computers will show the protected PC, so just click Show the File and run anyway. And then click OK to go through the prompts and follow the install process. Just clicking Next, the accepting terms, it'll show you where the file is going to be installed. Once you're done, click Finish, double click the icon, we'll start the program. This section is asking about partner verification. Click Yes and then click Close once it's done. That just verifies the program. Next, you're creating an admin password. So if you click the cursor field into password field and click Login, it'll tell you need to create a password. In the box, just create a password, click OK, and then on Guest, highlight Guest, Edit, create a password. You can use the same password to make it easier. Click OK. Then when you've done this, you can change your user to admin or guest, and then enter the password that you've just created, and click Login. If you forget your password or your admin password, the credentials are on this page. You can select which package you want, and from here on our Launchpad, you can click Start a New Return. This concludes installing the program. We have other great videos on using the program. If you have any other questions, please call 1-866-686-7211. Thank you.